Ever wonder why your team doesn't respect you? You might be making these 5 big mistakes as a manager. Discover how to earn back their trust and lead with confidence. Don't just manage, inspire. Watch now. Why managers lose respect and how to earn it back? Managing a team is no easy task. It requires a delicate balance of leadership, trust, and mutual respect. However, even the most well-intentioned managers can make mistakes that erode the respect of their team. In this case study, we'll explore 5 common ways managers lose respect and provide actionable strategies to earn it back. 1. Taking credit for others' work. One of the quickest ways to lose your team's trust is by claiming credit for their hard work. When you take credit for their achievements, it sends a message that their efforts are undervalued. Over time, this can lead to resentment and disengagement. How to earn it back. Start by giving credit where it's due. Publicly acknowledge and celebrate your team's contributions. When you lift your team up, they'll feel appreciated and motivated to work even harder. Remember, a good leader doesn't shine alone. They help their team shine brighter. 2. Managing the wrong team. Sometimes a mismatch of skills or personalities can create tension within a team. If you're pushing your team in directions they're not equipped to handle, you'll quickly lose their respect. How to earn it back. Take the time to understand your team's strengths, weaknesses, and unique talents. Assign tasks based on who is best suited for them. If you realize there's a mismatch, don't hesitate to make the necessary changes. A well-aligned team is a productive team. 3. Micromanaging every step. Nobody likes to be hovered over. Micromanaging your team can turn enthusiastic problem solvers into passive followers. It sends a clear message: you don't trust them. How to earn it back. Step back and let your team take ownership of their responsibilities. Provide guidance when needed, but avoid constant check-ins. Trust your team to do their jobs, and they'll reward you with their best work. 4. Over-promising and under-delivering. The excitement of a new project can sometimes lead managers to make big promises. But when those promises fall short, it leaves the team frustrated and damages your credibility. How to earn it back. Set realistic, achievable goals and stick to them. If something goes wrong or gets delayed, be transparent about it. Owning up to mistakes shows integrity and helps rebuild trust. 5. Not listening to feedback. Ignoring your team's suggestions or brushing off their concerns is a surefire way to lose respect. When you stop listening, it feels like you don't care about their ideas or growth. How to earn it back. Make it a habit to ask for feedback regularly. Act on constructive suggestions and let your team know their opinions matter. When your team sees that you're genuinely listening and improving, they'll be more invested in following your lead. How managers can earn respect. Respect isn't something you demand. It's something you earn through your actions. Trust your team, be transparent, and always recognize their contributions. Show them you care, and you'll not only earn their respect, but also your own self-respect. Remember, leadership is not about control. It's about empowerment. When you empower your team, you create a culture of trust, collaboration, and mutual respect. Conclusion. Respect is the foundation of any successful team. By avoiding these common pitfalls and taking proactive steps to build trust, managers can create a positive and productive work environment. After all, a respected leader is one who not only leads, but also inspires. If you found this video valuable, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and set the bell icon to all for notifications. Feel free to leave a respectful comment. Vulgar or inappropriate comments will be blocked. See you in the next video.